students, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain the chapter metallurgy, that is 7th chapter metallurgy. You already know that there are 118 different elements known to us today, and these 118 elements are classified into metals and non-metals. So here students, you know metals, majority of the metals are extracted from the earth crust. So here let me first tell you what is the meaning of the term metallurgy. See the term metallurgy. Metallurgy means that deals with the production and purification of metals. Means, in short, what is the meaning of metallurgy? Extraction of metal. Here also you can see that deals with the production and purification of metals. So here students, you must know important term used here in metallurgy. First one is, you must know what is the meaning of minerals. Mineral means the naturally occurring compound of metal which are generally mixed with other matter like soil, sand, etc. Okay, naturally occurring compound of metal. You know, we are getting metal from the earth crust, and naturally what we are getting from the earth crust along with or mixed with soil and sand, that is called minerals. Now here students, see the another term which is used in the metallurgy. That one is ore or ores. Ores are those minerals from which the metals are extracted commercially at a comparatively low cost with minimum efforts. Okay students, here ore are those minerals from which the... Okay students, I am going to explain you ores again. Ores are those minerals from which the metal are extracted commercially at a comparatively low cost with minimum effort. So here students, now let us do extraction of aluminium. Before doing the extraction of aluminium, you must know what is the name and formula of ore of aluminium. So here you see the main ore. The main ore is, first see the name. Name is bauxite, and you must learn correct spelling of this bauxite. This is the ore of aluminium. And see students, this is the formula of aluminium ore, that is bauxite formula Al2O3.2H2O. So this also you have to learn. In the paper they can ask you, write the name and formula of ore of aluminium. So this way you will prepare this one. See next student, this is the first step of purification, that is concentration or purification of ore. Concentration or purification of ore means conversion of bauxite into alumina. Means how we are concentrating the ore. Concentrating means हमने उसमें से मैक्सिमम जो इम्प्योरिटीज है वो रिमूव करनी है. मीन्स उसको क्या करना है, कन्वर्ट करना है बॉक्साइट ओर को. किस में कन्वर्ट करना, एल्यूमिना में. So for this we are having the another process, that is called Weir's process. Student, here also you have to learn these spellings of Weir's very carefully, because this is also they can ask you question in the board. what is the name of the process of concentration of ore of aluminium? Students, for the Bayes process, see the first equation. See this one again. Bauxite ore का formula Al2O3 dot 2H2O plus what is added? Sodium hydroxide. But यहाँ पे caustic soda भी mention हो सकता है. Okay, so you must know action of bauxite with caustic soda और sodium hydroxide. तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे जो प्रोडक्ट आने हैं वो आना है सोडियम, दिस इज कॉल्ड AlO2 मेटा एल्यूमिनेट. इट इज मेटा एल्यूमिनेट. सो लर्न दिस फॉर्मूला वेरी केयरफुली स्टूडेंट. रिमेम्बर, आपको ये अच्छी से लर्न करना है, सो देन यू विल नॉट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम इन राइटिंग द इक्वेशन. ओके, प्लस वाटर. क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट देखो, इसी को ये वाले फॉर्मूले के उसने फिर सेकंड इक्वेशन में लिखा है. देखो NaAlO2. Okay, again this formula, again this is written here. उसमें क्या ऐड किया है? वाटर ऐड किया है. वाटर ऐड जब करोगे, मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बताया हुआ है कि आपके पास वाटर ऐड करने से हाइड्रोक्साइड्स ऑफ मेटल बनने हैं. तो यहाँ पे देखो 2 मेटल है, एक सोडियम है, दूसरा अल्यूमिनियम है. तो एक बनना है आपके पास NaOH सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बनना है, दूसरा अल्यूमिनियम का है तो अल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बनना है. ओके, सो दीज आर द बेसिक थिंग्स यू मस्ट नो स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट सी, हमें ये वाली चीज तो चाहिए नहीं, ये हमें ऑलरेडी ऐड किया था, इसमें वापस आ गया ये. वी वॉन्ट दिस वन अल्यूमिनियम. ये अल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को मैं यहाँ पे लिया है, उसको हीट किया. एंड हेयर हाउ मच हीट इज रिक्वायर्ड? 1000 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर. So you will mention, ये condition है students, this you will mention, this is necessary. And here जब आप इसको हीट करोगे तो अंडरस्टूड है कि वाटर जो उसमें से एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा हीटिंग करने से. अगेन दिस अल्यूमिनियम इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू इट्स ऑक्साइड. यू नो कि यहाँ पे पूरे का पूरा ये रिमूव क्यों नहीं हुआ वाटर, ये ऑक्सीजन कैसे आया? बिकॉज अल्यूमिनियम हैविंग द strong affinity for oxygen. So students, learn these equations very carefully. Okay, especially the last one, sometime they are asking the last one, so you will mention the condition also. Sometime all the 3 equation of 3 marks. Okay students, see at the end here one term is mentioned in your book here. So students, these are the equations. This is the first equation, this is the second equation, this is the third equation. See student, this is new term for you. I have written with red word also, कि आपको याद रहेगा कि this was written with red okay color. So this is red mud. You must know what is red mud, and it can be one word. Okay, what is red mud? You know, when we are concentrating this ore of aluminium, तो उसमें क्या होता है कि insoluble impurities are present, and that insoluble impurities, what is that called? It is called red mud. और वो जो insoluble impurities होती हैं स्टूडेंट्स, उसमें क्या होता है? फेरिक ऑक्साइड मीन्स आयरन का ऑक्साइड होता है, and it contain sand etc. So this is red mud. Okay. So learn this term also carefully for one word for the paper. Thank you student, and I hope you have already subscribed